Alright, I'm hoping this video will be shorter because I'm just going to show Intersect with the same deal. So, yeah. Intersect, let me explain what it is. Intersect is going to show things that are only here in this oval. So if there is overlap between the two tables where a record is in this one but also in this one, Intersect will only show you the ones that fall here. So, and I should have said this about the first one, but union corresponds to or. You're saying if a record is in this table or in this table, it'll show up in a union. That includes here, because if it's here, if a record's in this intersection, then it is, it's in this one or it's in that one. It's in both. Only one of them needs to be true, so it shows up in the union. But for intersect, it's and. If there's a record that's here, it's in the salesman table, and it's also at the same time in the salesman leader table. So in other words, it's a salesman leader who's still working in the scenario that we've got. But regardless of why, they're in each table. That's our explanation as a human being for why they're in both. They're still working right now, and they're a leader. Regardless, as long as it's true that a record is in one table and also at the same time in another table, then it will show up in the intersection of the two if you use that operator. So let's look and do it. And really for this example, all I have to do is change the name. I can't remember if you have to look at your lab. Some of them might be a little bit more, like the problem will change, but I'm just going to show you everything that's in both. So intersect. And you see it pops up. I should just take advantage of that. So there's a couple of people. Johnny Smith and Maury Lockley are in both. So you can double check that, by selecting and doing one. Look for Johnny Smith. There's Johnny Smith. There's Maury Lockley. See if SpongeBob's in both. Probably not, right? Or this is a liar. Johnny Smith, Maury Lockley, but SpongeBob's not here. So these two are the only people who are in both tables at the same time. In other words, these are two salesman leaders who are currently working still. And that's intersect. I think that's all I need to say about it. Yeah. So the next video will be about minus.